Hello students, today in this video we are going to study one poem Wind from our book Beehive. We all know that wind is a natural phenomenon. In this poem, the poet talks to the wind. The power of wind has been described, and the poet says that wind is destructive. He has linked the destructive power of wind to the adversities of life and says that the weak people break down but strong people emerge out of adversities stronger. मुसीबत के समय कमज़ोर लोग टूट जाते हैं और जो बहादुर लोग होते हैं वो उसको पार करके आगे बढ़ते हैं. The poem gives an important message that we should be mentally tough and physically strong in order to survive the hardship of life. A weak person breaks down like a weak building and crumbles. He must make these destructive forces our friends with our strength and determination. The poet is talking to the wind. He asks the wind to come softly. धीरे से आने के लिए कहता है. So he is saying that the wind should not be very strong, loud. It should be soft and subtle. आराम से आए, धीरे धीरे. Then he says that the wind is very powerful. It is destructive. It breaks the shutter of windows and scatters the paper. हवा जब जोर से आती है तो वो खिड़की के शटर को तोड़ती है और जो पेपर टेबल पर रखे रहते हैं वो उनको क्या करती है, बिखेर देती है. When the wind is very powerful, all the books which are kept on the shelf fall down. किताबें जो शेल्फ में रखी होती हैं वो गिर जाती हैं हवा के द्वारा. So here the poet is describing the power of the wind. Then he says to the wind to look at the destruction that he had done. Poet उससे कहता है कि देखो तुमने ये क्या किया है. Whenever there is a strong wind, all the things that are weak, like small plants, tiny children, etc., they all get scared and they can even fall and get hurt. We can say that in the initial part of the poem, the poet is referring to wind as a young child. He is saying that it should come softly, just like a small child does. In the later part, we come to know that the wind is destructive, just like a youth, just like a young boy or a young girl who is full of energy, violence and destruction. Poet even says that you have brought the rain again, that I don't like. You have brought the rain and you are very clever at poking fun at weakling. जो लोग कमज़ोर हैं उनका तुम मजाक भी बनाते हो. You should not do that. Now here you can see frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafter, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. So बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे crumbling word का यूज़ किया गया है ये दिखाने के लिए कि wind is really very strong. Now the poet is saying that when wind is very powerful, it is very strong, it leads to breakage of everything. हर चीज़ को वो तोड़ देता है. Houses which are weak falls, doors which are weak fall, the beam on which the roof of the building are supported, they also fall. All the wooden structure fall, all bodies of people fall, animals, lives, hearts. So he is saying that everything crumbles, सब कुछ crumble हो जाता है, टूट जाता है. Everything that is weak reacts by falling down and breaking in the face of एडवर्सिटी, जो चीज़ कमज़ोर होती है वो सब टूट जाती है. सो द पोएट इज सेइंग दैट whenever a weak person faces any adversity or challenge in life, he breaks down and falls. जो लोग फिजिकली एंड मेंटली स्ट्रांग नहीं होते हैं वो एडवर्सिटी, मुसीबत आने पर जल्दी से ही टूट जाते हैं. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. Now here the poet is addressing to wind as wind god. Poet ने wind को भगवान कहा है. And he is saying that the powerful god of wind winnows, that means he shifts all the people, and those people who are weak fall down and get crushed. So here a comparison is made between wheat and people. Just like we know the wheat to separate the grain from chaff, the wind god separates the strong people from the weak people. जैसे विनोइंग से ग्रेन से भूसे को अलग करते हैं, से वे भगवान भी क्या करते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग पीपल एंड वीक पीपल को विनो करते हैं, सेपरेट करते हैं, अलग करते हैं. When there is a strong wind, all the things that are weak fall and get crushed. तो जो भी चीज़ें कमज़ोर होती हैं और वीक पीपल होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, क्रस्ट कर दिए जाते हैं, विंड के द्वारा तोड़ दिए जाते हैं. Now the poet wants us to make friends with the wind. पोएट चाहता है कि विंड से हम क्या करें, दोस्ती कर लें. The adversities in our lives, किससे, जो हमारे लाइफ में एडवर्सिटीज़ हैं, मुसीबतें हैं, उनको हम अपना दोस्त बना लें. He says that the problem will not listen to us. अगर हम कंप्लेन करते हैं तो वो सुनने वाले नहीं हैं. They will come, so we should be prepared. मुसीबत आने वाली है, वो आएगी. So instead of complaining to them, we should be prepared. We should make ourselves physically and mentally strong. In preparation, we should build strong homes and close the doors of our houses firmly, so that the wind cannot get in. हम अपने घरों को मजबूत बनाएं, दरवाजों को मजबूत बनाएं और उनको बंद कर दें ताकि हवा उसके अंदर आ न सके. And then he says that we should also make our bodies strong and hard forms to face these challenges. अपने आप को भी मजबूत करें ताकि हम इस एडवर्सिटीज़ के चैलेंजेस को क्या कर सकें, फेस कर सकें. And then once we are strong enough, all the challenges will be like friends. We will not feel that they are troublesome. Now the last stanza of this poem, the poet has kept the wind on a pedestal. He is comparing the wind to a god. वो हवा को पोएट किससे कंपेयर कर रहा है, भगवान से. He says that wind is God and we praise wind every day. हम विंड की पूजा करते हैं, उसकी तारीफ करते हैं. He adds that everything that is weak gets finished off in the face of strong wind, and all the things that are strong flourish and grow to become stronger. जो कमज़ोर चीज़ें होती हैं वो स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड को फेस करते समय टूट जाती हैं, और दूसरी तरफ वो चीज़ें जो स्ट्रॉन्ग होती हैं वो आगे बढ़ती हैं, फ्लरिश करती हैं, ग्रो करती हैं. He is giving us a very important message that we should not feel bad that we are facing so many challenges and adversities in life. We should make ourselves physically and mentally strong to face these challenges, and once we are strong enough, we'll overcome the challenges and we'll become friends with them, and then we will be happy, and we had these challenges in our life because they help us become strong. So here we come to the end of this poem. Thank you.